Thank you, Father, the Almighty. Why these things still try to fight me? I'm gonna teach my nation, the children of Israel, Israelite now. It doesn't matter what your religion is. Come to me, come one, come all. This is what he said, this is what he prophesied when Jesus Christ was walking this earth. Can't you see he's still here? But in the spirit, can't you see? Can you feel it? Can you hear it? Everywhere we go, we got questions. Our little babies had the answers. If you really pay attention, what's going on around you nowadays? Can't you see? I pray, I still pray every minute, every second. You got to keep praying and praying and praying and praying and never, never, ever, ever stop praying. Can't you see the things that we really bringing? So much negative energy. The big boys, they know about it. They know about all the hate hacks and all the voodoo, the things they put in the people's mind. They can't just say I am on the rise. I'm gonna go and burn up the light and stomp them. We're gonna crush them every day and night. They try to sneak in your sleep, in your dream, in your mind. Pay attention, can't you see? Stunner, I'm gonna go and mention what's going on in the deeper mind of mankind. We in our jeopardy, but thank God and thank Christ we're still breathing. Can't you see we never be leaving until the day that the earth is going back and create a new earth and heaven. Can't you see the things what's going on? Pay attention, we all are under attack. Understand, bless your kids, bless your husband, bless your wife, bless your mother, your daughters, your son. Love one another. This is what he said. It's a reason for that, my man or my lady. Can't you see the way you people having babies? They are not responsible, so go ahead against the system and suffer with you. Kids are angels, kids are adorable, kids are little people. They've been here before, that's why they're so smarter than you and I put together. Now check it, what's going on nowadays? We all getting attacked from baby stage. Can't you see the devil? He never gave up. He make people wanna suicide themselves. And what's going on? You gotta pray for your health, your wealth, your family, and break all the curses. A lot of nations are cursed nowadays. It was written, Babylon, the great falling. So many demons they come now. So many seals were broken. That's why so much negative energy around us. And it's gonna what I told you, Michael Stunner. I really read my Bible. This is how I know this. Can't you see it? So many angels and demons, they fighting every day for your life, and they save life. They bless the kids. Look at the sky. Look around you, baby. God is everywhere and everything, and part of you is godly. So understand. Blessed be thy name. Thank you, Father.